And we're back, fellow knife enthusiasts. This week we're going to do the review of the Gerber Wingtip. It is a new slip joint knife that Gerber has just recently brought out. We'll go ahead and go over the specs, and then we'll show you a little bit about the knife. It is a slip joint. It's 5.6 inches overall when opened. The blade length is 2.5 inches. It's a drop point style blade. The handle material is aluminum. Of course, it's ambidextrous. You can use it left hand, right hand. It has a lanyard hole. I'm not sure if you would really use one on a pocket knife, but maybe you want to stick one in there. It has a nail nick to open the knife. Of course, it's going to be a manual open. 7CR is the steel. And the handle length is about 3 inches. It has a nickel style bolster. And of course they come in green and this grayish black. Let's go ahead and do some cutting with it. We'll bring some jute up onto the table. You can see it cuts through it very easily. Actually, effortlessly. We'll see how it handles something a little thicker like this paracord. So it cut through it real smoothly. Didn't leave any frayed inches. Try it one more time. Once again, same result. This knife has a mirror finish blade, which if you know me knows that means I have to constantly clean it. We'll cut some cardboard here. So you can see it cuts smoothly and effortlessly. It's very comfortable, you know, for a pocket knife. We'll show you the inside there a little bit. The end. Has that travel stop, so it doesn't just makes it a little different than the standard pocket knife. Kind of like that. So this is a like a gentleman's carry slip joint knife. Comes in green and black, aluminum handles, and it's called the Gerber Wingtip. We'll give you a close-up of it there. Alright, if you guys are watching on Instagram, make sure you like and follow at Atlantic Knife. If you're watching on YouTube, hit that subscribe button. You'll get all of our content, weekly show, our 5-minute reviews, and our 1-minute quick looks. On that note, this is the Gerber Wingtip, and I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.